Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the keyboard settings in your device Redmi K50 and Gaming Edition. But before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to do the keyboard setting or if you want to change the keyboard settings in your device, you can do this by the method as I'm showing in my this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can change the keyboard settings and how you can do the keyboard settings in your device. Let's watch the video.